Top 10 expensive parrots in the world. 10. Queen of Bavaria Canuripris, $1,500, $3,000.
Stunning in their brilliant yellow color, the golden conure, or Queen of Bavaria conure is, without a doubt, a beautiful bird. They can also make a very nice and affectionate companion pet that is spunky, smart, and entertaining, though they are rare and expensive.
9. Eclectus parrot price, $1,000, $3,000.
Eclectus parrots are intelligent, gentle birds that become welcome members of the family due to their tranquil nature. They are pretty good with children, though they will not tolerate frantic activity or constant disturbing noise.
8. African gray parrot price, $1,500, $3,500.
The African gray is considered to be one of the most accomplished mimics. Parrots, when raised by humans, show an amazing ability to mimic people and noisy objects, but in the wild they have never been observed mimicking. These parrots have a long lifespan and can outlive their human owners.
7. Major Mitchell's cockatoo price, $4,000, $10,000.
Major Mitchell's cockatoo is often described as the most beautiful of all cockatoos. It has a soft textured white and salmon pink plumage and a large bright red and yellow crest. Females and males are almost identical. The males are usually bigger.
6. Blue and gold macaw price, $1,000, $3,000.
The blue and gold macaw Era arana is a large South American parrot. It is a member of the large group of neotropical parrots known as macaws. These birds are popular in aviculture because of their striking color, ability to talk, ready availability in the marketplace, and close bonding to human.
5. Scarlet macaw price, $2,000.
Macaws are intelligent, social birds that often gather in flocks of 10 to 30 individuals. Their loud calls, squawks, and screams echo through the forest canopy. Macaws vocalize to communicate within the flock, mark territory, and identify one another. Some species can even mimic human speech.
4. Goliath cockatoo price, $10,000, $20,000.
Cockatoos are birds in the parrot family that have a crest of feathers on their heads. They are omnivores that can eat nuts, seeds, and beetle larvae. They make their habitats in the rainforests of Australia and surrounding areas, but can also be great pets.
3. Lear's macaw one, $500 to $25,000.
Lear's macaw Anadorhynchus leary, also known as the indigo macaw, is a large all-blue Brazilian parrot, a member of a large group of neotropical parrots known as macaws. It was first described by Charles Lucien Bonaparte in 1856.
2. Palm cockatoo price, $15,000.
The palm cockatoo Probosciger aterimus, also known as the Goliath cockatoo or great black cockatoo, is a large, smoky gray, a black parrot of the cockatoo family native to New Guinea, the Riau Islands, and the Cape York Peninsula in Queensland, Australia.
1. Hyacinth macaw price, $10,000, $40,000.
Macaws are known as the giants of the parrot world. The hyacinth macaw is the longest parrot, with a head-to-tail length of nearly 40 inches. Macaws have long tail feathers as well as big beaks. Macaw adaptations include large, curved, powerful beaks designed to crack open hard nuts and seeds.